If you've been wondering what candle sublimation is, here's a simple explanation. Sublimation is a printing process that uses heat and pressure to turn special ink from a solid directly into a gas, allowing it to permanently bond with a specially coated surface, such as a glass candle vessel. Instead of sitting on top like a label, the design becomes part of the glass itself, creating a smooth, durable finish that won't peel, fade, or rub off. If you want to learn more about candle sublimation, I think you will love this video next. We also have an entire playlist of tutorials on how to make your own candle art using sublimation. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way.